You mentioned once in 2012 that Diddy was a good friend of yours back then. He has since found himself in some very serious legal trouble.
Yeah, that's true.
Would you ever consider pardoning him?
Well, nobody's asked. You had to be the one to ask, Peter, but nobody's asked. But I know people are thinking about it. I know they're thinking about it. I think some people have been very close to asking. First of all, I look at what's happening, and I haven't been watching it too closely, although it's certainly getting a lot of coverage. I haven't seen him. I haven't spoken to him in years. He used to really like me a lot, but I think when I ran for politics, that relationship busted up from what I read. I don't know. He didn't tell me that, but I'd read some little bit nasty statements in the paper all of a sudden. It's different. You become a much different person when you run for politics and you do what's right. I could do other things, and I'm sure he'd like me, and I'm sure other people would like me, but it wouldn't be as good for our country. As we said, our country's doing really well because of what we're doing. So it's not a popularity contest. So I don't know. I would certainly look at the facts. If I think somebody was mistreated, whether they like me or don't like me, it wouldn't have any impact on me.
What's good, YouTube? It's Coffee back at it. And what do y'all think, man? Was Trump basically saying, "Fluck no" there? Some people were pondering on that was a no. I see other people saying, "Yo, F Diddy, pardon Dirk." I don't think that's going to happen, man, with the whole murder for hire tied to the case. And then other people are just like, yo, too soon. I mean, we're not even through the trial yet, right? He's not even convicted. The trial is ongoing. But it's kind of interesting what Trump was saying there, though, right? We used to be pretty cool, man. He liked me a lot, but getting into this political realm, I seen he had some things to say about me or whatever, but this ain't a popularity contest. But in some ways, it kind of is. But comment and let me know what y'all take from that, if you think that he really would pardon Diddy. I mean, I feel the reporter, right, with Larry Hoover and NBA Youngboy. It seems it only makes sense to ask about Diddy, but I don't know if Trump would touch that one. Said he's got to look into it if he was mistreated at all. Do you guys think that's the case or what? Evidentiary wise and all that. Tap in, let's talk about it.